I want to tender a public apology. I gave a prophecy last week about the popular actress TOYIN Abraham. Okay. I want to publicly tender an apology, and I want it to go viral to people who don't understand the things of the spirits. I want to I want to read video to comment, to cosibe, to sorrow.
Those that saw the video and wrote it there that
they commented, some even did a lot of people say a lot of things. Why can't I get in touch with her privately instead of coming to social media to pass the message?
I
want to apologize to such people that your opinion is not needed.
Oh! I love that song.
Your opinion is not needed. Because whenever you want to correct pastors or you want to insult pastors, you don't get in touch with us one-on-one. Yes, you don't get in touch with us privately.
Yes, sir.
You come to social media to insult us. So no one but man watch social media let's insult and. So if by implication I come on social media to pass a message, you are only receiving what you have given.
Yes, sir.
So for
those that are saying nonsense on social media, that why did you call her on phone?
And again, you must know that social media is one of the fastest means to get in touch with the public.
Yes, sir.
And any personality, anybody to reach out, see, if you find it difficult to reach out to them, social media in less than 24 hours. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
And listen to me.
Dummy.
And to those, I want to say, to those saying we are seeking for recognition. I want to know what recognition. Let me tell you. We have over 2,000 members every Sunday.
We have over 2,000 members every Sunday service. No special program.
Let me tell you. Recognition will
which
in your 2,000 every Sunday. I want to then say doom prophets. We are doom prophets.
Some people are saying we are doing prophets.
We prophesy evil. Abi àwọn celebrity nìkan la máa prophesy.
Oh, is this celebrity will do prophesy?
I want to conclude. That you don't know me. And you have not been following me. If you have been following me online,
you
will know that Prophet Akobu,
you know that Papa
is not somebody who come online to say what he has never seen. Go and check my track record.
Go and check my record.
And again,
I
do not understand the things of the spirit.
People don't understand.
If you understand the things of the spirit, you
know what they call prophet. Somebody that hear information from the spirit.
Whether it is a good information or a bad information, we receive it and we declare it to the people. Now, thank God for social media.
Yes, sir.
That every video went viral. And it was able to get to TOYIN Abraham. And on Tuesday,
this past Tuesday,
I received a call.
Papa received call
TOYIN Abraham
from TOYIN Abraham
Mo mọ̀ pé gbogbo ilẹ̀ fẹ́ràn ẹ̀.
I know everybody loves her.
Mo mọ̀ pé inú yín dùn báyìí.
I know you are happy.
Àbí inú yín ò dùn báyìí.
We are happy.
Mo dẹ̀ ṣàlàyé fún un.
And I explained to her.
Torí tí wòlíì bá ríran.
But if your first give a prophecy,
Kì í ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ la máa ń sọ publicly.
it is not everything we'll say publicly.
À á sọ díẹ̀.
We'll say little of it.
À á fi kókó bẹ̀ pamọ́.
We'll remove the important part of
Tí
it.
ẹnìyẹn bá ní interest.
If that person has the
À
interest,
wá tú kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ fún.
we will now explain it deep down for her.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ pè mí
She called.
with the help of one of my son tó wà ní Canada.
Pẹ̀lú ìrànlọ́wọ́ ìkànnà àwọn ọmọ mi tó wà ní ìlú òyìnbó.
Ó dẹ̀ pè mí.
And he called.
Mo dẹ̀ ṣàlàyé fún.
And I explained to
Mo
him.
dẹ̀ pray fún.
And I prayed for
Mo wá
him.
sọ nǹkan méjì.
She now said two things.
Number one,
Ìkíní,
ó ní dáàdì.
he said, Papa,
Ẹ bá mi sọ fún gbogbo ìjọ.
help me tell the old church
Wípé
that
mo pè yín.
I called you.
Number one nìyẹn.
Ìkíní nìyẹn.
Number two,
Ìkejì,
ẹ bá mi sọ fún gbogbo ìjọ.
help me tell the old church
Wípé
that
kí wọ́n gbàdúrà fún
they
mi.
should pray for me.
Ìgbà tí mo cut call yẹn,
After she dropped the call,
mo dẹ̀ conclude lọ́kàn mi pé
and I conclude in my heart that
ọmọbìnrin yìí
this young lady,
ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ àgbà ni.
she is a child of the elders.
Oyeye.
She understands the mystery.
Ayé kọjá kó máa fi ọwọ́ pa idà ọ̀rọ̀ náà lọ́wọ́ lójú.
The word is more than you using your hand to just pull down the sword of the Lord.
Tó bá fi ọwọ́ pa idà ọ̀rọ̀ náà.
If you use your own hand to pull down the sword of the word of the
Ẹgbẹ́ kí
Lord,
ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀?
what will happen?
Á ṣẹlẹ̀ sà.
Multitude will happen.
Wàá sá eré òní ríbi sá sí.
You will run, you'll see nowhere to run to.
Ó sọ onídàádi ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo ìjọ pray fún mi.
He said, Daddy, let the old church pray for me.
So ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé
Those that
ọ̀rọ̀ ò kàn yín.
you are not concerned about the case,
Tẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí social media tẹ́ ń comment.
that you're commenting on social media,
Ẹni tí Ọlọ́run rán mi sí.
the person God has sent me to,
Tó gbọ́ ohùn Olúwa.
that hear the voice of the Lord,
Tó dẹ̀ recognize pé léyìí ohùn Olúwa ni.
and recognize that this one is the voice of the Lord.
Ó ní kàn pray fún.
He said they should gbàdúrà for him.
Hello.
Hi.
Àwọn Yorùbá ní ẹni awí fún.
The Yoruba say the person will tell,
Ọba jẹ́ ó gbọ́.
let the king, let
Èyí
the
tó bá wàrùn kì í kọ́.
person that is so stubborn
Ẹ́ àparun.
will perish.
Bí wòlíì bá
If the prophet speak out,
ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ ni wípé.
your right is,
Bàbá
Father,
kí ni kí n ṣe?
what should I do?
A simple question.
Ìbéèrè.
Hello.
Obele,
Ibi tí ayé le dé.
where the word is so tough,
Tó ń bá jíṣẹ́ fún ẹ.
if they give you a message,
Tó bá lọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ bíi ti Lizzie Anjorin tó lọ ń pariwo kí tó lọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé kí lẹ́nu ń fẹ́ ṣe irọ́ ló pa. Ẹ̀sà àwọn kan mọ ojú bọ Ọlọ́run.
if you
Wọ́n á sọ fún Ọlọ́run pé kí ẹni yìí ti bú mi o. Ó ní Olúwa ọ̀rọ̀ tó sún náà mi yìí pé irọ́ ni mo pa.
this person do what I said, she said I'm lying.
Ó dá kí wọ́n lè mọ̀ pé lóòótọ́ ìwọ ló rán mi.
For you to know that truly you are the one that sent me,
Àkókò tó ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn ti jìnnà jù.
the time you said you want to happen, it is far.
Ṣé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin ọjọ́ méjì?
Let it happen within 2 days.
Ẹ̀sà
Sir,
wàá sá eré kàbàkàbà.
you will run mightily.
In fact, bó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn.
I should speak this word.
Gbàdúrà fún all through that day.
I pray for her all through ọjọ́ yẹn.
So everybody a fẹ́ pray fún.
Gbogbo ènìyàn, we want to pray for her.
Torí ìyàwó mi gan gbàtà dé lọ́dún ìyàwó mi sọ pé kí n jọ o.
When we got home that day, even Mama say, Papa, please,
Nǹkan kò máa gbọ́dọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí márèjì ẹ̀.
nothing must happen to her
Pé
marriage,
kí n jọ ká pray o.
that we must please pray for her.
Wọ́n jíṣẹ́ fún ẹ.
They give you a message.
Ìwọ́n ó dé sórí social media ó ń sọ bla 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 elele.
You get to the social media.
Ìjẹ́
they
jẹ́
don't
mọ̀
say
pé if
anything.
you don't come on social media nígbà míì láti pass àwọn message wọ̀nyí.
If you don't come to social media to ask àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ míì,
Kò ní bí ọ̀dọ̀ wọn.
it will not get across to them.
Ìmí kan tó bá bí ọ̀dọ̀ wọn.
At times, if you even get to them,
Wọ́n ní ta ló ń sọ̀rọ̀.
they will say, who is even talking?
Celebrity mélòó ló máa fún ní prophecy 101 tó máa pè lórí fún pé mo rí ìran báyìí sí ẹ tó máa listen.
How many celebrities will you give
Holy
to
Cassie.
one if you tell them they will not even listen to it?
Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ mú tẹ́ ń sọ.
You that does not know what you're saying,
Ibi tí òye yín kéré mọ́ lẹ́ ń sọ mọ́.
that is where your knowledge is so small.